Thomas the Tank Engine and Friends Take and Play Adventures. Season 12, Episode 154. Thomas, Percy, and the Water. Thomas wants to travel the world. Percy wants to come with him without all the danger. And today they got their chance. Sir Topham Hatt pulled up in Gordon. And Thomas and Percy, today you shall go to South America. South America, sir? But why? Tourists wants to see pictures, but can't come to the island because they can't afford it. So I have agreed with the South America with Brazil's railway curator to send you to there so people can take pictures. That sounds wonderful, sir. Okay, get going. And because I don't have like a boat up here, just pretend they weren't. They just disappeared. Ready? 3, 2, 1. All those little engines. Wow, South America is really far up. No, Thomas, we're falling. And what's that? It's the Amazon. Whoa! Help! Help! Whoa! Why do you always have to drag me into your expeditions? It was Sir Topham Hatt's idea. I was planning on going for a stroll with Annie and Clarabelle. Thomas? Yeah? What's that? What? Blah! Percy? That sudden drop. Percy? Yeah? I think we're in big trouble. Why? Because that's not just a drop. That's a waterfall! What? Thomas! Well, go upstream, Thomas, as hard as you can. It's pulling me back, Percy. Thomas! Thomas! Help! Thomas, I'm coming to help. Oh, no. Percy, stop. Oh, no. I can't hold it back much longer. Ow. The waves keep hitting me. So Percy, be careful. Who said that? It's me. Who are you? I fell down here many years ago, and I'm still stuck here to this day. If you make it, please send help. We will, but I don't think we will. Let's make it. Thomas, buffer up. What? Buffer up. I can keep you above. Oh, it's not above I'm worried about. It's down. Oh, gotcha. Oh, dude. We're going to help you. Are you sure we're going to make it, Percy? We can do it, Thomas. We'll do it together. Oh, Thomas. You're getting kind of heavy. I think you're dragging me down. Uncouple, Percy. Uncouple. Thomas. Oh, no. Look out, Thomas. Thomas, try and stay on that ledge, and you'll be all right. I'm not sure how much longer I can do that, Percy. careful, guys. I fell for that mistake before. The water still rushes under you and what? Pulls us. Ah, Thomas! I don't want to die! Wait, you've been stuck down here for years? Yes. Got to get used to the water after a while, but I really want to get out. We'll get Percy. We survived the impact. Now we have to stay here we have to get to that shore. It's only a few feet away. Do you think we can make it? In the water, it'll be hard. But if we stay here, we'll get swept up the stream and go into the ocean. Ooh. We're going to get help for you. Wonderful. Guys, I'm starting to go. Oh no, we have to rescue him. But how? We don't need to grab all his parts. Just grab his head and run. Okay. Guys, I'd appreciate it if you'd hurry up. We're here. Get it. What about the rest of my body? We think we have enough time. Percy, go after it. Done. This episode is getting too long. We just had to do that. Okay. We're going to put you back together. Oh, thank goodness. Alright, guys. So, Ethan's going to put it back together. You can just look at us for a second. Because, we don't want to stop right now. So, he's going to put the engine back together. We haven't come up with the name for this engine. So, comment back down below. What should its name be? And should I include it in my series from now on? Or should I just leave it in South America? Alright. Now, let's go talk to those tourists, said Thomas. And that's the end of the episode because I don't want to reveal if he's, staying or not because I don't know. Because you guys haven't commented yet, so okay, bye.